Could a mysterious planet join the solar system? Imagine one day, a giant planet suddenly appears at the edge of our solar system. It wouldn't just disrupt the orbits of the planets, but it could also cause Earth's orbit to shift from its current position. A new ice age or a catastrophic heat wave, which of these scenarios would we face? This isn't a plot from a sci-fi movie. In fact, it's a hypothesis that scientists are seriously investigating. So, let's uncover the truth behind the question. Is there a mysterious planet about to join the solar system? To answer this, we need to understand how the solar system was formed. About 4.6 billion years ago, the sun and the planets were born from a massive cloud of gas and dust. Under the influence of gravity, the matter within this cloud began to clump together, forming the sun at the center, with planets orbiting around it. Everything seems stable from that point, but perhaps we've missed something lurking at the edge of the solar system. That something could be hidden in the Kuiper Belt or the Oort cloud, regions packed with small, icy objects that have unpredictable orbits. These objects can be pulled into the inner solar system by the sun's gravitational force or disturbed by the passage of a nearby star. This is where the theory of the ninth planet comes into play. No one has seen it directly, but scientists have noticed unusual orbits of certain objects in the Kuiper Belt. Instead of moving randomly, these objects are being pulled in the same direction, as if something massive is exerting a gravitational influence on them. This has led scientists to hypothesize the existence of a giant planet, 5 to 10 times the size of Earth, lurking somewhere on the fringes of our solar system. Now, imagine what would happen if a new planet with the mass of Jupiter or Saturn suddenly joined the solar system. The first thing to consider is gravitational force. The gravitational pull of a massive planet wouldn't just affect the orbits of smaller planets, but could also disrupt the orbits of larger planets like Jupiter and Saturn. If Earth's orbit shifts away from its current position, disaster is unavoidable. If Earth moves farther from the sun, we could face an ice age as global temperatures plummet. On the other hand, if Earth is pulled closer to the sun, we would experience extreme heat waves. Imagine a summer day not at 40 degrees Celsius or 50 degrees Celsius, but soaring to 200 to 300 degrees Celsius, similar to the sweltering surface of Venus. But it's not just Earth's orbit that would be at risk. Smaller celestial bodies like asteroids and comets could also be affected. A new planet might destabilize the orbits of thousands of objects in the Kuiper Belt and Oort cloud, sending them hurtling toward the inner solar system. Who can guarantee that one of these objects wouldn't end up colliding with Earth? We've seen this happen before. 65 million years ago, a massive asteroid struck Earth, causing the mass extinction of the dinosaurs. According to scientists, the possibility of a new planet suddenly joining the solar system isn't pure fiction. There are 3 plausible scenarios for how this could happen. Scenario 1. A planet from the Kuiper Belt or Oort cloud. One of the icy bodies in these regions could be large enough to be classified as a dwarf planet or even a full-sized planet. Over time, the sun's gravitational pull could bring it into a stable orbit, officially making it part of the solar system. Scenario 2. A rogue planet from outside the system. Imagine a rogue planet drifting through the galaxy, unattached to any star. If it approaches close enough to the sun's gravity could capture it, pulling it into an orbit around the sun. This scenario is unlikely but not impossible, given the vastness of the universe and the potential number of rogue planets floating through space. Scenario 3. The mysterious ninth planet. This is the most well-known and most discussed theory. The ninth planet is thought to be in a highly elliptical orbit, taking thousands of years to complete a single revolution around the sun. It may have been part of the solar system all along, but because it's so distant and dim, it remains undetected by modern telescopes. If a massive planet joins the solar system, the biggest impact on Earth would be the changes to its orbit and global temperature. If Earth were pulled farther away from the sun, temperatures would plummet, leading to a global ice age. If Earth were pulled closer to the sun, the heat would rise to unbearable levels, making Earth more like Venus, where surface temperatures reach hundreds of degrees Celsius. A new planet could also drag along smaller celestial objects from the Kuiper Belt or Oort cloud. As a result, Earth could be exposed to more meteor showers and potentially catastrophic asteroid impacts, similar to the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. If the new planet had a strong magnetic field, it could also interfere with the sun's magnetic field, triggering stronger solar storms. These storms could disrupt radio signals, GPS, and even Earth's electrical grids. So, is there a chance that a mysterious planet could join the solar system? The answer is yes, but it's extremely rare. The theories of the ninth planet and the possible arrival of rogue celestial bodies from the Kuiper Belt or Oort cloud are being closely monitored by scientists. If a new planet does appear, its impact will depend on its size, mass, and orbit. Tell us what you think in the comments below. Do you believe there's a mysterious planet waiting to be discovered? Don't forget to subscribe to Beyondra to stay updated on the latest space discoveries. See you in the next episode.